Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we are just hovering around, to be honest, and to be expected. We do have non-farm payrolls tomorrow and also unemployment rate data coming out. So market is typical for that kind of data coming out, just basically mucking around up and down in a consolidation range, and I think there it is there. Oscillator's not giving us any value or any information at the moment. We're on the 8-hour chart here, and for all intents and purposes the trend is still down, so we are below the moving averages. All the moving averages are lined up in a downward trend, so this to me is still consolidation. So the only time we're going to start looking for opportunities to the upside is a break of 39.52. And there is a bit of a cup and handle forming, but obviously we need to break that level up there. So for now, still going nowhere slowly, I would suppose. And if you look at what happened yesterday, lots of selling coming in, and then into the close, buyers got a little bit of control. But again, we were capped by this 38.58. So the levels are pretty much the same as what they were yesterday. And yesterday, there's no ways you can trade that kind of price action. Well, I can't anyway. One thing that we did look at yesterday was the high of the previous day's pin bar. So this pin bar here from Tuesday, that's a daily pin bar that's there. Nice grouping to the downside. If you have a look, what we've done is we've gone sideways for the whole day, and then going into the close, we got above that pin bar. That may be a signal of something to come. We've also tested the moving averages on the hour here. So as far as I'm concerned, we need to clear this level. Well, both these levels in actual fact. So it's 38.58 and then also 38.50. So we need to clear this, sort of rally a bit, come back, test it, build a base, and then move on. I still think we are going to be all over the place until we get jobs number today out the way, and then non-farm payrolls data out the way tomorrow. And depending on how that data looks, it's going to dictate what's going on here. Okay, so I'm pretty much sit on hands. I'm really not keen on this at the moment. And you can see yesterday's 15-minute. We did find support on the 155 all day, so basically ranged all day, and then in the close broke the range, came back and tested it. So expect more of the same, I suppose. That's kind of what we're looking at. One thing I do want to go back to is on the 8-hour. Now if you draw two lines here, so the first one is going to be, we could say there because that's a fractal there, but I think let's just add it to there, because if you extend this trend line, it's going to touch further up, and then take it from the bottom like that. That gives you a consolidation triangle, and that is so typical for non-farm payrolls. So I would pretty much expect us to come back down. If we do break the range of yesterday, then obviously you're looking for a move equal to the height of the range. But at the moment, you're also looking for a move equal to the height of the range to the upside. That could very well play out here as well. But for me, this is really going nowhere at the moment, so I'm sit on hands. I think the bigger range is in play, and we're in a small range at the moment, and it could also turn out to be a flag of sorts, just looking at this trend line that could be forming inside here. So I am sitting quietly waiting for this data to come out before looking for a trade on this index. Anyway, hope that helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.